Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm actually going to do what I said I was going to do, and I'm going to draw a bird today. But what kind of bird? Uh, that's for you to find out here in just a second, so let's check that out. Alright, so I've actually got quite a bit of time to work on this today. No work at all, I just have my Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu class to go to later. So I actually took my time, spent a solid 2 hours on this one. And actually, part of that was me taking a break. I took two breaks in this one. My hand was getting super tired, and I was told that if it ever starts to hurt, then that's an issue. So don't let that happen. But yesterday I was suggested to draw a bird, and I had already come up with something by the time I got the suggestion. So I decided, screw it, we'll do it today instead. And this is me going through with that promise. Now, they didn't say what kind of bird I needed to draw, and I'm very pro America, so I'm gonna do a bald eagle today. And I actually think I did a really good job with this one. I didn't want to ruin it, and this is actually me taking one of those breaks I was talking about. That was the first break, and then there's another break a little bit later whenever I get towards the coloring part. But yeah, so I think I'm finally starting to understand how the pen works. Or at least this particular brush. I've noticed that a lot of uh artist YouTubers use this brush, and I can kind of see why. Maybe not this one specifically. There's another brush that's very similar that uh has more to do with pressure sense. But I like this one a lot already, so it helps whenever I don't want to have to switch between the size of the brush as much and still get like different shapes. So if you notice at like the beginning of a line or near the end of a line, it'll be a little bit thinner than the rest. And that's how I like that. I like that a lot because I can get to some points, I can get through small spaces, and that's based off of the pressure sense. But there's another version of this brush that also changes like the opacity of it, so like you can see through it a little bit more. And I haven't quite gotten to the point where I feel comfortable using that one yet. But maybe in the future. For now, this is super duper useful for making these feathers. And yeah, I wanted to work specifically on getting as many details in as I could while still keeping this sort of original. I mean, I did a pretty good job keeping up with the reference, but I didn't include every single feather. And that's something that I want to carry throughout all of my artistry because I don't want to end up dialing in so much, locking in, getting lost in the sauce of the like little itty bitty details. I don't think I ever truly want to be a ultra realistic artist. I just want to get to the point where if you looked at what I drew, you'd know what it was immediately. And I think I did that in this one. Um, I'm gonna continue to improve from here, but I think we're in the right direction. All right, that's what I want to get across. Um, one of the things that I was having a hard time with on this one, what would be one of the things that I was having a hard time with? I don't know, man. This one went really, really smooth today. But I think it's because I didn't really pay attention to any timer. Um, and I really did just get lost in the bop shoobody doo 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 bop shoobody doo ba 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 bum 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 ba ba bum 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 ba ba bum 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 boobody doo bop shoobody doo bop shoobody doo bop shoobody dap dap da 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 ba ba da ba 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 na 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 body doo shooby bop 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 a doo shooby bop 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 a doo shooby bop 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 a doo shooby bop shooby boo. Anyway, guys, I'm super proud of this drawing today, and I feel like I am leaning into the right direction at this point. Sorry for the issue with the audio earlier. I'll learn to get better at stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys around, and hopefully you come back to future videos. If you would, please leave a like and subscribe down at the bottom, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.